everyone, my name is Anita Foster and I'm the Library and Media Specialist from Autry Middle School, and I just have a quick tech tip to show you. So sometimes we are working in something like a Word document or a PowerPoint, or we have multiple things going on at one time. Trust me, I live in my tabs. I know this stuff. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how to split your screen so that you can have two things going on at the same time. So I have a Word document here. Let's say that my social studies teacher is asking me to do a comparison with the civil rights movement in the 1960s and what is happening today in our history. And so I am going to write up a Word document here. The first thing I'm going to do is open both of my things. So I have this open, and then I have a story from history.com. Now I'm coming here to get information. I'm not coming here to copy and paste, and I'll talk to you about that in just a minute. But I'm coming here to get information about the difference between what was going on then and what's going on now. So I have this open, and I'm going to click on this little double square up here in the corner. It's right next to the X. But if you hover over that little double square, it says restore down, or at least it does on my computer. So I'm going to click on that, and this is where you can start manipulating it a little or moving it around. I'm going to squeeze it this way, and I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to have it fit about half of my screen. Okay? Then I can still, the important thing is I still have my scroll bar over here. So I want to still be able to scroll down. Now my Word document's here. Ms. Foster, I can't see half of my Word document. No, you can't, but I'm going to click on the little double squares up here again. And I'm going to have this do the other half of my screen. And there you go. Now, one thing you might want to do, especially with a Word document, if you can read it, is just hit this little minus down here, and it makes it so your page fits in, or your area fits in your whole screen, so you're not having to scroll over to the right or to the left. And then I can start typing on my paper over here. Now, again, this is not giving you permission to come over here and copy and paste. Why, Miss Foster? It's so easy to do that. That's because then you're stealing someone else's words, thoughts and ideas, and that is plagiarism. So we cannot do that. You can paraphrase it, and you can write it in a different term. Miss Foster, I don't know what you mean by paraphrase. Go to brainpop.com. You can go to Cobb Digital Library, and you can sign in through BrainPop and look up paraphrasing in BrainPop. There's an awesome video on how to paraphrase. There's also an awesome video on what is plagiarism. So if you want to go in there and look at those, but it does not give you, because they're right next to each other, permission to copy and paste it over here. Remember, what you write over here needs to be your own words, thoughts, and ideas. Okay? All right, Autry, have a great day.